What is up? What's going on, fellas? It's Mark. Check this out. This is that truck I was telling you about. Big tires, no, shit. It's not big tires. It's 33s. But anyways, cool little setup here. Check it out. It's a 2016 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport SR5. Awesome little truck to drive. It's running on a set of, let me let you check it out. Ready? Dig these, fellas. Dig these. Big ballin' right here. These are TIS wheels, all right? These are a 22 by 14 inch wheel running on a set of 33 1250 22-inch Country Hunter MT tires. They're made by Fury. Kick-ass tire. Rides great. This truck's really nice. It's not detailed yet. It's not finished up. I got a few things to do to it. I'll be doing a video here shortly in the next day or two once I get it all done up and pretty, or if I stop driving it. It's a joy to drive. Super big light bar in the front that fits perfectly. I love how OCD this is, guys. When you do shit like this to your truck, this shows character, and it also shows dominance on how persistent and precise, loud bike, precise you are with your OCD skills. And I like that, because why? It goes from where the factory grill insert is right here, our factory grill stops right here and is exposed, all the way to where it stops right there. Perfect size light bar for a perfect fit inside the grill. It's hidden. It's kind of like co-op. It's like Black Ops, sort of like stealthy shit right there, and I love it. It looks really cool. It's running on a BDS suspension lift. It's got Fox shocks on the rear. This is a kick-ass truck, guys. It's got an axle dump exhaust with the muffler, Flowmaster muffler. You can see it kind of. Undercarriage is spotless. Super clean truck. And red line is kick-ass. I got my gym back here, excuse this. So this is BARTACT, right? Super durable, kick-ass seat covers, guys. It's got like the military grade, like, you know, stuff you could put on with all the woven back parts of the seat. You can put your clips and bullets and crap like that. Your crack pipes if you're into that. Whatever you got to put back there. Awesome seat covers. Excuse my Harbor Freight air hose line. But really nice seat covers. It's got an Alpine doubled in, like exposed. I don't know how to explain the damn thing. CD, Bluetooth. I can't even speak right now. Shit. It's got your GoPros up here, guys. Your GoPro compatible, built factory inside the truck. How do you like that? A GoPro mount. That is kick-ass. All LED lights inside. Tacoma all-weather floor mats. It's just a really nice truck, and I hope you guys like it. Here's the video of it, and that's it. This is Mark signing out with the 2016 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport. Holler at me, subscribe. Peace out, guys. Yep, right there. Oh, V6 engine, by the way, cold air can-in air filter system. Peace out, subscribe.